I'll be making my scalp oil. First, I'll be using 1 cup of peppermint oil, which is more like 1 tablespoon. And next, I'll be also adding my fenugreek oil, which I made myself. And next is my hemp seed oil. Lastly will be my aloe vera oil. So these three oils weren't added to my butter cream. So all of the oils used in my butter cream is being added to this oil. That's why it's looking this full. So just add all of those oils I added to the buttercream with these three oils. So that's what I use for my scalp because tea dries out the hair, but using a moisturizer along with it makes it work better. Yes, not as if it doesn't work, but this we add more moisture to your hair. So that's it. So guys, this video also contains a short clip on how to make another version of the tea for those people that maybe you can't get rosemary around you or something. So I just made something little. So what I made use of here is rice, then your hibiscus flower, just the hibiscus flower without being grinded, it's not grinded, then 1 tablespoon of peppermint, and also 1 tablespoon of honey. So that's what you can do also if you can reach out for rosemary and the rest of it. So here are my two teas, one containing rosemary and the other just containing rice, hibiscus flower, and peppermint. Firstly, I'll be applying my tea to my scalp. Yeah, directly to my scalp and massage it a bit. I'll be doing this on every area of my hair. So next I'll be applying water on my hair, just on the body of my hair, like the strands of my hair. And also on the tip too. It's very necessary, That's where your hair start drying up from. Next I'll be putting in my oil, my scalp oil. I'll be putting it directly on my scalp, just to blend in with the tea I just applied. Yeah, and I'll also be massaging it just like the way I did while applying my tea. Lastly, I'll be applying my buttercream. So I'll just be taking a little bit and applying it all over the strands of my hair. Just like so. And also the tips of my hair, as I said earlier on, once your hair start to, dry up, it starts from the tip of your hair. So I'll be doing this for every other strands of my hair. Now I'll be threading my hair and making use of two threads. Actually, I already done every other part of my hair offline, so this is how I thread my hair all the way down. And when I get to the tip of my hair, I just tie it up, not too tight anyway. So this is all of my hair. Now I'm making use of my hairband to wrap it all up. Next is me making use of my nylon. I'll be sitting down with this for 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes is fine. Just before I take my bath and off to bed. So after an hour, I'll be using my satin scarf to tie up my hair. I was actually doing some things. That was why I stayed that long. So this is how I go to bed. See you tomorrow morning.
Good morning, guys. So let's see what our hair is looking like.
So here is what my hair looks like after taking down my thread. Looking very soft, looking full and healthy. So I went ahead to style my hair as usual.
This is the end of this video on how to retain length, moisturize your hair when exposed. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and yes, ask your questions. Put your questions in the comment section and I would answer each and every one of you. Thank you.